Okay, so in this video, I'm going to be covering drop fees. It's the biggest question asked in the private property impound. The section of the law is Vehicle Code 22658, and basically, if you look that up on the DMV website, it's there. It's about 2 pages worth of reading. This section is covered under subparagraph B. Do you have to basically pay a drop fee is what the biggest questions I get. And yes and also no. Depending on your financial situation, I mean, if you can afford a drop fee, it's easier just to go ahead and pay it. If everything's been done legally and you're legally being towed away, yeah, just pay it. The people that don't have the money on hand, what do? I'm sure a lot of people experience the tow truck leaving with your car because you just didn't have the money for a drop fee. That right there is technically illegal, and I'm going to tell you why. In subparagraph B of the Vehicle Code 22658, it does state, upon the request of the owner of the vehicle or that owner's agent. Real quick, the agent of the vehicle is somebody that you've lent your car to. If they have the keys to the vehicle, that is a legal agent of the vehicle. They are basically authorized to drive that vehicle. Okay, and then going on, it's the tow company or its driver shall immediately and unconditionally release a vehicle that is not yet left the property and in transit. Basically, that means if you're illegally parked in the red zone, let's say, the tow truck pulls up, he's hooking up your car, the car is on the tow truck, and you come outside and say, stop, wait, that's my car. Usually at that time, the tow truck driver will offer a drop fee. The drop fee will be one half the hourly tow rate. They're not allowed to charge any more than that for a drop fee. At that time, if you don't have the money, you don't have the money in your account, you don't have any cash on you, the question is, can I still get my car back? By law, yes. Yes, you can get your car back. Drop down to the subparagraph C in the 22658. It says, a person failing to comply with subparagraph B is guilty of a misdemeanor. If the tow truck driver does not release your vehicle immediately and unconditionally to give you your car back on your request, he is right there guilty of a misdemeanor, and you can call the local law enforcement out, sheriffs, highway patrol. They take care of some areas, not really. It's mostly sheriffs out here in the Santa Clarita, Newhall, and Canyon Country area. In LA, LAPD would be taking care of it. You have to let them know. A lot of them don't even know about the 22658, and they can't memorize every law. You got to let them know that they are guilty of a misdemeanor, and they can look it up. At that point, the tow company can take payment in 3 ways. It's cash, credit, or billing information. Now, you are going to have to give your billing information. Basically, it could be just the license plate number on the car, the VIN number, basic vehicle information. They can take your driver's license number down. They got to document who took the vehicle out of their possession, because they do have possession of it at that time. So that is legal. Whether the tow company decides to send you a bill is completely up to them. Some companies don't want to spend the time or the effort to go after you for whatever the tow charge is. That you're just kind of playing with luck. Depending on how far they want to push it. Do they want to take you to court over it? Do they want to put some type of lien on your car, which I don't think they're allowed to do that. I think they can just go after you to go to court. That can happen. So that's why I said if you do have the money to pay a drop fee, just pay it and get it over with. But if you don't, they cannot take your vehicle to the storage yard to charge you more money. If you don't have money, and I've seen this, they will say that, okay, we will take your car to storage. We won't charge you any storage fees. we'll just charge you the drop fee when you get the money. No, they can't do that. They have to give you your car back. They have to release it. They can take down your information and they can send you a bill. If you choose to pay it, that's up to you. Can it go on your credit? Yeah, they can hire an agency to put that on your credit report. It can be done. It can go to court. But no, they cannot take your vehicle. Don't let them take it. And if you are vengeful and you want to go after them, go after the tow truck driver because for whatever reason, you can get them guilty of a misdemeanor. But that's a different court. That's not small claims. You have to actually press charges to get a tow truck driver in handcuffs guilty of a misdemeanor. And that's pretty much about it. If you have any questions, please list them below on this topic, and I'll answer them. Also, check out the Facebook page. I do answer questions on Facebook. Facebook.com/economyautotowing. Post your questions there, and I'll answer them as soon as I can. All right, thanks.